guys, this is a video and yeah, it's Dad, Josh and Carla playing.
Josh, you've got...
Yeah, look. Playing on boats.
Oh,
Yeah.
they're all at it there.
Kids are.
Which one's this? Two?
They're all going. Dad's got a serious face. Yeah, we're the white one. But, no. They're getting crashed.
There's two up there. Go backwards. Right, do that down, that's forwards. Actually, best stay backwards, I think. That's it. Now... forwards.
Croc on boats.
We're on the move, you girls.
Help your dad.
The girls are coming down, number 2.
What are you, number 5? You're just doing that.
You should have done this earlier, Paul.
I know.
You missed it.
I've lost my vocation.
Josh, try and get
I
through.
think I missed a fan on the back there looking like
You get a free go if you go through the
Go
tube.
on, that's it.
No. Don't film me, don't
He's
film me.
filming while he's on it.
Get on it.
No. You're going to fail, Josh. Look at Josh's.
There's 3. Oh, Josh, you're going to go through. You're going to go.
Josh.
Oh, well, you've never mind.
Go, girls, go there.
I think you're just being a bit extreme.
Oh, right in the corner, it's just a reverse.
Dad go through. And he failed and the croc nods in train. You'll never see this on YouTube, I reckon.
Reverse is...
This is at ILC season, same day.
one of
Yeah.
them's the wrong way around. It's quite confusing. Yeah, you're moving now, Josh. You're on the way. Go the other way, the other way. Keep turning that way, that way.
No, the other way, I want to get...
Are you turning round?
Yeah.
This is the best fun you've had on 50p for a long time. Here, look at number 2. The girls
Number 2 is firing! Crazy girls.
Oh, nearly.
No, back! Josh is getting screwed with his ice cream. No, get rid.
still going.
I want to move.
Oh, forward, Josh. Oh, you're beating it.
Oh, go on, go on.
You'll never see this on YouTube. Look at Josh eating his ice cream in there. And Dad.
They're all gone.
And the all gone. I need to get it through. Come on.
Hang on, you've got 1 credit. Oh,
Oh yeah!
oh yeah, go
forward! Yeah! Woohoo!
He's done it. Oh, well done. And Quinn's filming it.
And it's on YouTube as well.
It's on YouTube. Oh, it'll be on Ola.
Don't know how to put it on Ola.
That was the first time through today. You're going back. You're going to go backwards. Go.
They're bizarre, aren't they?
They're hard to control, aren't they?
1 minute.
Because if you notice the steering is one propeller will close down and the other one picks up.
I don't think my propeller is working at all.
All excuses. Yeah.
No, Dad's propeller was broken.
Don't blame me.
Yeah, because I was on yours this morning. Only one propeller was working.
Josh, what are you doing?
See? Oh yeah.
Yeah, I've
He's going
done
back
it, I've
through.
done it.
He's going back through. He's
Get
going
it
back.
on YouTube, quick.
I am. I can sit on YouTube. I'll be uploading it in the car.
This crocodile go around on YouTube.
Excitement.
See you guys. This is just about the end of the video. See you later. Bye.